In this video, I will show you how to manage your data and privacy settings on Discord. Let's get started. First, open the Discord app on your phone. Next, tap your profile icon in the bottom left corner. Then tap the settings icon in the top right corner. On the settings page, scroll down and select Data and Privacy. Here, you can manage various privacy options, including data collection, personalization, and activity-based recommendations depending on your app version. Review the available settings and turn each option on or off based on your privacy preferences. You can also review your active sessions or logged-in devices and remove any devices you don't recognize to help keep your account secure. Once you've finished making your changes, simply go back. Your settings will be saved automatically. That's it. You've successfully managed your data and privacy settings on Discord. If you found this tutorial helpful, don't forget to like the video, subscribe to the channel, and leave a comment below. Thanks for watching.